Luxury is not mass produced, it is chosen, shaped, and refined. Inside the ateliers of Hermes, each Birkin begins as carefully selected leather, inspected by hand for flawless structure and character. Every panel is cut with precision, every edge is finished by hand, and each stitch is sewn using the traditional saddle stitch technique, a method that demands patience, strength, and absolute control. There are no shortcuts, no assembly lines. Only artisans trained for years, shaping that raw material into timeless design. From polished hardware to final inspection, every detail is deliberate because true luxury is not created quickly. It is crafted one careful moment at a time.